So after creating the subject successfully, we are supposed to create one teacher login so that the teacher can upload the video for that particular subject, you can say. So for that purpose, we are supposed to create the teacher. First of all, you are supposed to click on this launch panel just below the teachers. Then after this particular window will be visible to you. So this is just a dummy login we have just made. So just to add your teacher in this particular database, you are supposed to click on this create Flipgrid teacher button. Then all this information you are supposed to fill for the teacher. So first of all, we will just give one random teacher name here. So it is asking me for now for the designation. So whatever the designation of the teacher have, we are supposed to enter it here. So for now I am just giving the assistant professor designation to this particular teacher. Then it is asking me for the branch, like for which branch we are supposed to assign this particular teacher. So whatever the branches your login have, you can select one of them. So for now, as we had created the student for the school branch login, so I am just assigning this teacher to this particular school branch. Then the username of the teacher, so for now I am using this particular Bhushan1 as the username. So just remember one thing, so you can just log in with using this username. So you are supposed to create that particular username little unique so that your teacher can log in using this as the username. And you are supposed to create one password hash here. So this will be you can say password of that particular teacher login. So for now I am just creating the password as Bhushan@123 as the password. So for now we have just created the username as Bhushan1 and the password Bhushan@123. So you can say after using this username and the password, the teacher can log in into our admin panel using the login as teacher particular function. So for now this is active button is for if the teacher login is active, then we are supposed to keep it as 1. And if you want to deactivate the all the functionality of that teacher, then we are supposed to update it as the 0. So for now we want this particular teacher to be active in the admin panel. So we just save this all the details. As you can see, all the details we had entered. So it created one account of that particular teacher now, which is named Bhushan Patil, and we had used the username Bhushan123 and then password we had entered in the previous window, so that the teacher can use this particular information to log in our dashboard to upload the videos.